Good morning to all of you. Today I am showing this video on Microsoft Excel shortcut keys using the control key A to Z. Okay, so these are all Excel shortcut keys used in Microsoft Excel to do the quick process. Okay, and these shortcut keys are very useful when you want to do the Excel. Okay, nowadays these some all questions are asking in Excel also come for a competitive exam. So note down these shortcut keys. It is useful in your daily life also. Okay, and so this is control plus A to control plus Z. Okay, I will read the all the shortcut keys. Control plus A select all, B bold, C copy, D fill down, E center alignment, F find, G go to, H replace, I italic, J text to columns, K hyperlink, L left alignment, M it is not there. If it is there, please I search in the many website. It is not found to me. If anybody found, please comment me. It is useful to others also, for me also. Okay, next coming to this one, control plus N, new, opening the spreadsheet, creating the spreadsheet, opening the spreadsheet and printing a spreadsheet. And similarly control key also not found to me in website I search. If anybody found, please comment me. It is useful to others also and for me also. Control plus R, fill right, S save, and T for creating table, U for underline, V paste, and these are common that is in Word, PowerPoint also. Close, cut, redo, undo. So I will show you practically each how to use this one. Okay, so coming to this, first I will open the Excel sheet. So this is the Excel sheet. So uh, so first how I will tell how to open Excel sheet also. So first you go to the start button and here you will find the Microsoft Excel. Okay, so this is the interface of the Microsoft Excel. Okay, so sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3 is there, and if you want to zoom you can zoom, or else you can go to the view. Okay, you can zoom here also. So default is the fit screen is the 100% or if 100%. Okay, zoom default. Okay, now coming to this one, first I will show control plus A. So control plus A is, suppose I want to select all the data. So I will explain each one. Control plus A select all. So if you press control plus A, it will select all entire sheet. To select all the data, you have to press the control plus A. If you want to delete at a time, just select control plus A and delete. Okay, next second is the control plus B to bold. Okay, so I will show you by taking an example. So I want to make the text to bold. Now see, this combination is very important. If you are familiar with Word, PowerPoint, bold, italic, underline, it is here. So it is present in Word, Excel, PowerPoint also. So go to the home menu, bold, italic and underline. So sample I will type here. It is normal text. Just if you want to make font size, just you select here, make font size big, 28. So adjust here like this, you can adjust now. So if you want to bold, yes, you can bold him, or if you want to italic, you can italic them, and if you want to underline the word, you can underline. So if you want to remove all bold, italic, underline, again you click same I B. Similarly shortcut keys also, control plus B for bold, control plus I italic and control plus U underline. So this is the control plus B for bold and control plus I italic, and second one is the control plus U underline. Okay, next coming to the copy. So this is very important. So if you want to copy anything, so this I want to copy. So there are three ways are there. Just you select sample and right click the and copy. This is the mouse. Okay, and another also it is there. Here this is the copy option, menu bar also you can use, and you can use mouse also, and you can use shortcut key. Now I'm using the shortcut key. You press the control plus C, it is selected. Now this area show that this text is selected and you want to paste here. So just you press the control V. now it is V. If you want to use mouse, right click the mouse and you can use the this one, or else if you want to use menu bar, just you click here and go here and you click the simple. So my suggestion is to learn the shortcut keys. My advisable to all the users or those who want to learn Excel, those who want to perfect in Excel, always use the shortcut keys to do the your works very simple manner and very quick and fast manner. Okay, so copy and paste. So I want to cut only AMP, so your MP I want to cut, just you go here and you cut, or use control plus X. So here it is there, control plus X is cut. Okay, so I want Sam, I want to cut only Sam, just you select here, here you have to select and you use this also cut, or here also sample. So I want to cut, just you go here shortcut key, or just you select here and you use the cut. So in this way you can use the cut, copy, paste. Okay, coming to the next one, D. This is very important. So new keyword is there, understand it very carefully. Here it is there. Okay, first I will show you how to use control plus D. So here I will show you first name, last name is there. So first you type example, first name, last name and city. Okay, example I am telling here. So first name A B C D. Okay, then last name D C B A. Okay, next stuff, just you type here and selecting this, just like this you select, then just you press the control D, it will select the all the cities Hyderabad. Okay, fill down. Okay, once again I will show you. First you type the city name, all Hyderabad only, then just you select and you select like this and just you press the control D, so it will fill down then. And next, coming to the next key, alignment. So this is very important. So we make use this in daily wise, daily routine in our work, whenever you use the Excel. So there are three alignments are there in Excel: left alignment and center alignment and right alignment. So now I will show the example. Now this is the text, it is there, this text is there, this is in left alignment. I want to make some center alignment, I want to make right alignment. So I will show you carefully now. So this is the text, right alignment, and this is the center alignment, and this is the left alignment. So control plus E is the center alignment, and control plus right alignment, and this one. So right alignment and left alignment, this you remember, control E and control L. So these are the two alignments we can make use of it. Next is the control plus F, find. Suppose here it is there, so I want to find something here. Suppose I want to find city, wherever city word is there it will find. So just you go to city, you click on the find next, it will select the word, wherever the word city word is there it will select the word. Like this you can find the text or word in the Excel sheet. So we can use the control plus F. Okay, next is control plus G. So I want to go to particular here E4. So this is the cell, address is E4, I want to go to E4, just you press the control G, then here you type E4. See here it will go to the E4. So like this you can use the control plus E. So next to be control plus E you can use. Control plus G, it is used for go to. Okay. Now I will show you control plus H, replace. Okay. So here it is, word is this in Hyderabad I want to make Secunderabad SEC, wherever HYD is there, I want to make them as a Secunderabad as a city. Just you press Ctrl plus H and you type the name HYD. So correctly you have to select HYD and you select the word Secunderabad SEC. Wherever HYD word is there, it will replace with the SEC. Now you click all in the replace all. So replace all. Now it is showing that Excel has completed search and has made 18 replacement. So the word Hyderabad is 18 are there. Wherever HYD is there, it will replace with the Secunderabad. See here. Earlier it is Hyderabad, now it is Secunderabad. Now I want to make same. So for this you can use the key Control plus Z undo. What you have to use? Control plus Z. I am clicking Control plus Z. So undo, it will become undo. Okay. We can use undo key also for Control plus Z as undo in Excel. Next, italic I already showed. This is very important. Text to columns. I will show you example. Now here I am typing address here. Raju. For coming to the next line, you have to press Alt plus Enter. You use Alt plus Enter. Okay, Raju. Then Alt plus Enter. Raju phone number I am giving 1234. Then Alt plus Enter. City you give Mumbai. Okay. Next is again Ravi. So this is phone number example I am typing again. Press Control plus Enter. Then you give the Hyderabad. Okay. Now we can use the Control plus J text to column. Now you select this data and you go to the data and you select the text to columns and you select the delimited and you press Control J. Here you have to press Control plus J. Then if you click here next and finish, now it will become the text to column. It will become the text to column. In this way you can use the Control plus J text to column. Okay. Next, hyperlink. This is very important to link the sheets. Okay. This is for example here I will type here. So there are how many? There are 6 sheets are there. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6. So instead of going sheet 1, sheet 2 directly, you can press, for example, go to sheet 1. Okay, you can go to sheet 1. If you click here, it will come to the sheet 1. How you have to give? Just you click here and you press Control plus K. Then you don't go here existing. Here you have to go to place in this document. Okay, you have to go to shift to sheet 1. Okay, now you click here. Now I want to go to here. Just you click the sheet 1. So it will directly go to the sheet 1. Again here I want to go to the sheet 6. So you can give any name. Sheet 6. You give the address. You press Control plus K. Then you select this one. Sheet 6. Okay. Now if you click here link, it will directly go to the sheet 6. Okay. In this way you can use the Control plus K hyperlink. Okay. Next, coming to the alignment, I already showed there is no Control plus M. Okay. If anyone knows, please tell me. Okay. Next, coming to the Control plus N, new. So it is used to open new Excel sheet. Just you go to file and here you select the new, then it will create the new Excel, Microsoft Excel book spreadsheet. So we can use like this also. And if you want, next is the Control plus O, open. Suppose if you want to open after saving, just you go to the open, and if you want to open any Excel sheet, just you go to the desktop wherever the file is there. So here it is there, or else you go to the documents, coming down you will find all the Excel files. So this is the example I am opening here. So this is the Excel to open the Excel sheet. Okay. Next is print. Okay. So after your work is completed, if you want to print any one, just you go to the file and this is the print. So if your printer is attached, it will show ready, you can print. So here I am not giving any border. If you want to apply, you can apply border also. You can print your Excel sheet. Okay. Next, coming to the control plus R, field right. Okay, this I will show field right. So you type example city, then Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. Now, so just you press control plus R, again you press control plus R, without control plus R, then control plus R, field right. So control plus R. Okay, if you type one time, again you want similar, you can use the control plus R. So what is the control plus R? Field right. So all you already you know that how to save worksheet also. Here I'm not saving book one, it is there. I'm not saving anything. So if you want to save, just go to file and save. So I request please save, don't save on desktop or local C any important data. If you want to store Excel file, okay, you can store other than C and desktop, don't save. If any problems come, if you want to format, all data will go. So you save in the local disk D or E according to your convenience. So here I am name keeping as the demo. Okay, save. Like this you can save the Excel sheet, Excel file. Okay, save and create table. Okay, if you want to create table, okay, so just you press control plus T. So if you want to give address, so like this select, like you can select, it will create the table. Okay, enter, then you give the okay. So like this you can select the table, or else if you want to select all the borders, you go and click all the borders, and here you go to the table style, whatever the style is there, you want to select the styles, format as table, this it is there. Okay, this take the simple color, and if you want to rename the columns, example roll number, like this, and here student name, like this you can create by pressing the control plus T. Next is the underline, already I show, control V, paste W. So now here I opened the 3. So there is a lot of difference between control plus W and control plus F4. So control plus W will close the particular sheet only, and alt plus F4 will exit the Excel. So I will show here file control plus W. So only it will close the particular Excel sheet only. Now I want to close this only Excel sheet, just go to the file and click on the close button. Okay, so like this you can close the, okay, again I am opened. So again I am opening, next control plus W, cut, control plus Y, redo. If you want to do, suppose here I am typing something, okay, so again control Z, again control Y, for redo you can use. So these are all the Excel shortcut keys. So if you have any doubt, please comment me. Please subscribe my channel, like this, like the button, and like. Okay, thank you.